everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Wi-Fi is not connecting on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first method is you have to just click on the start menu, then type your device manager. Click on this device manager. Once click on scan for hardware changes. After completion of this, check whether it is working or not. Still it is not working, then double click your network adapter and expand. After that, you need to find your wireless adapter. You can see this is my Dell wireless adapter. Right click on that, click on properties. Here you will find power management. Click on this. You have to make sure that this is it. This check mark should be done for this. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save the power. You have to make sure that you have tick mark this. Then click OK. After completion of this, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. You have to update your wireless driver. For that, you have to just right click on this update, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers. Before clicking this, you have to make sure that you have connected through the internet from any other device like your mobile or with your LAN cable. After connecting to the internet, just click on search automatically for the drivers. Then your Windows will be updated to your drivers. After completion of this, still you are facing the issue, then you can uninstall and reinstall your Wi-Fi drivers. Right click on that, click on uninstall and reinstall. After uninstalling, you have to restart your PC and the Windows will be reinstalled your Wi-Fi drivers automatically. After that, after doing all this, still you are facing the issue, then you have to update your Windows. Click on start menu, then click on settings. In left side you will find Windows update, then click on update, check for update. If there is any update pending, then click on download and install. After doing all the settings, all these changes, still you are facing the issue, then you have to run the command in CMD. Just type CMD, right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, then type here SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your Wi-Fi is not connecting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.